6 ways to maximize your ROI through infrastructure management. Among your vital concerns for your business is to increase its profitability. Accordingly, you have to find ways to improve its return on investment, or ROI, that is, ways to maximize the returns a particular investment brings your company with respect to its investment cost. One way to do this would be by managing your business's infrastructure, such as its computer hardware and software, utilities like electricity and water, transportation means, among others. Infrastructure management is one of the most tedious and time-consuming tasks in running your business. Despite this, it's a crucial component in an efficient business development model. For this reason, you have to put up strategic measures to realize successful infrastructure management operations. This article shows you effective ways to run your infrastructure and make the most of your investments. These include: 1. Identify the systems to handle. To begin with, you need to know the hardware or software systems that require management. This may include communication and IT services, business and utility services, facilities and physical structures within your company, among others. Next, you need to adopt a well-designed management system for them. For instance, if the computer processes in one of your business's departments are slowly running, it may be due to factors such as low network bandwidth or outdated software. On this account, an efficient tactic to manage the issue would be to get consultancy services from firms such as New York IT consulting company like Netsa IT or others. The expert services delivered will help restore proper functioning to your business's IT systems, leading to seamless workflow. Consequently, your business's profitability will improve. Number 2, upgrading hardware and software platforms. To keep your business operations running smoothly, avoid using outdated hardware or software. Therefore, after identifying the systems to be managed, you may need to upgrade the outdated ones. In this case, you need to invest in more advanced and efficient equipment. For instance, purchasing the latest version of a computer operating system. The upgrades in this feature may increase your business's productivity, as they will be suited to adapt to recent technological advancements. This may be just what your business needs to efficiently run. Your business will, as a result, generate more revenue, and you would achieve a positive ROI. Number 3, comparing upgrading costs and ROI outcome. Upgrading your hardware or software components can be expensive. You may have to either physically install the upgrades on existing equipment or purchase new equipment altogether. Whichever the case, you would have to dig deep into your pockets if you are after quality services, especially if they are technical. For instance, you may need professional assistance when installing new electric cables around your business premises. However, you should carefully analyze your situation and consider the cost of investing in the upgrades versus the output you would achieve afterward. If the benefits of upgrading outweigh the input cost, then it's a worthy investment. But if the opposite is true, it would be wise for you to postpone the upgrades first until your situation allows for a positive ROI outcome. Enforcing system configuration management. When dealing with older equipment, you should have all the proper documentation for everything. These are the records of all the different hardware components, such as desktop computers, laptops, printers, photocopy machines, and others. You should also note down that they do what they do, where they came from, and how to replace them. Configuration management is the best way to ensure you have all of this, as it will enable you to monitor your equipment's performance and productivity throughout its life cycle. You'll be able to observe a trend of the performance as it relates to its life, and you'll know when to perform system updates and replacements. You'll therefore be able to plan out when to incorporate the changes to realize maximum return on investment for your business. 5th, reducing your total infrastructure footprint. Your business premises may be having infrastructure that takes up more space than is required, like old and unused servers and routers. A wise method to properly manage them would be to dispose of them to recycling companies that handle electronic waste. You may now put the freed up office space to other uses, such as spreading out desks, converting it to another office if it was a room, or even renting it out. Your ROI will be positively impacted as you could use the income from rent to develop other productive sectors of your business. Sixth, computerizing operations. Transforming your hard copy material to soft copy may be a good way to improve your storage, retrieval, and disaster recovery procedures. For instance, if your business documents are all in paper form, you can create a database management system that stores your records in soft copy format. You can also incorporate cloud computing to boost storage space and security. In the event of loss or damage to your records, the cloud extension can increase your chances of recovery. By doing so, you will reduce the damage your business may have faced had it not computerized its data. The business will hence continue running smoothly and continue realizing its productivity. Conclusion: to run a successful business, you have to maximize the ROI, and one way to do this is to invest in infrastructure management. You may do this by identifying the systems to tackle, comparing the upgrading costs with the ROI, and performing the upgrades if favored conditions apply. Generally, reducing your business's infrastructure footprint, adopting system configuration techniques, and computerizing your operations. These methods will help you optimize your infrastructure usage, thus optimizing your business performance and ultimately yielding a positive outcome from your return on investment.